Hey there, Mosh here, and welcome to this video. And this is, you're looking at a plan of a blog post. All right. So once you have the plan ready, publishing the post in the blog is very easy. I'm going to show you from start. So let's begin with a new blank sheet, Google Sheet. So what you will do in this spreadsheet is, first you need a title, you need an excerpt, okay, and you need a description. Focus on this title and description. Now next you need an image, and you need a title for every single post, every single part of the listing, like 10 blah blah blah, 20 blah blah blah. For everything you need a name, or you need a title, you need an image, and you need a description. Okay, cool. So first one is for the blog post, and this one is for the elements inside the blog. Now let's select one topic. All right, so let's say top 10 fastest growing shade trees. We're gonna take this. Okay, now we don't need this, so close it. And we need this topic, Control C. Close this blog, we don't need it now. Control V. The text color is white, so it's not showing here. Let's make it black. And of course you have to make it like something like this. It's awesome. And maybe like this. All right, top 10 fastest growing shade trees. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly copy these things, this. Okay, only the title of each post or each section. So for that, first we'll copy this, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, total 5, 1 2 3 4 5, right? Now I'll completely Control C, Control V, so now total 10. What I'm going to do is copy these names only and nothing else. Okay, title, and hit next. Only the titles. American, only the titles. All right, okay, now I'm going to pause this video and complete copying and pasting these element titles, and I'll come back once I'm done. Now I have completed copying and pasting the titles. Now I don't need this article at all, so close it. And now I opened two Googles. Okay, one is for text, one is for images, and close all the windows or all the tabs that you have currently opened. So search for this. Let's search for this. Control V. This. All right. This is okay, and this is for text, and this one is for images. So go for images section and hit the tools, use size larger than 800 by 600. That's what we are looking for. Okay, now you see here you need a little bit of description for that, for every post, right? So this is the northern red oak. You can, how much northern red oak, what is now, what eats red oak trees, where does northern oak for sale, figure 1. Northern red oak is native to the Midwest and one of the fastest growing. Awesome. You need a little bit of description, so just copy it. Okay, is a good tree up to here. Control C, and then post it here in the description. All right, now you take one of the images that looks fine, that looks awesome. Maybe this northern red oak. Cool, it looks cool. Go and visit. Maybe you want to visit, maybe you just want to copy the image address. Okay, and that's the image address. Right, now one thing important, if you see at the end of the image JPG, PNG, or any image extension, then you can expect that it can be loaded easily. If it is not, then there might be some kind of problem. I have tried and I found if the image is encrypted, okay, and it is not the extension at the end of. I will show you one example here. Can you see this? This doesn't end with the JPEG, so it created problem. All right, this one didn't end with the JPEG, and it created problem. So you try for those images that ends with the image file extension. It's not necessary, but just try, and we can always come back on the way. Now we can come back while we're working on it. Now go to the next one, Control C, and you search here, Control V, and you search here, same time, Control V. So you see this is awesome, right? Now you can, this is from Wikipedia, you can copy it. You can copy the description, and you can copy the image from, take from somewhere. American, all right, awesome. It looks cool. Copy image address. This is an image address, all right? Now why not I drag this thing here and go to the next one, Freeman Maple. All right, and search here also, Freeman Maple. That's cool. Now Freeman Maple looks really, really nice tree, isn't it? Wow. This is really cool. Okay, this is 800 by Freeman's Maple. Cool. Copy image address. All right. And then this sturdy hybrid is a very common blah 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 maple. Okay, Control C, just copy from here. Don't worry about it because we are not going to use the exact same text. Anyways, now I'm going to pause this video and finish all the 10, and I'll come back once it's done. Now you already know how much time it takes for the 3. Similar time will take for another 3, similar time will take for another 3. So total, you can estimate how much time it will take. Now I'm done with the planning. Okay, I have all the 10 posts completely planned. So what I'm going to do now is just Control C, and I'll go and post. So I'm going to enter my WordPress dashboard, and I will need one more thing, and that is a spin rewriter ready in front of me. All right, I'm going to add a new post. This is going to be the top 10 fastest. Sorry, I will use Zombify. My mistake. And we will go to list. Alright, top 10 fastest growing shade trees. Okay, don't use excerpt or description. If found available, it's cool. If not, no problem. So let's begin. Control C, Control V, Control C, and get by URL. Control V, hit, use this via thing, source URL, done. And we will use the description. Control C, go to the spin rewriter, rewrite, ignore this, Control V, and we want to all right, we want to change this, right? Control, so we want to change this, we want these names to be accepted, like Control C here, settings, go to settings, Control V, right? We want all the names to be Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, hit enter, Control C, Control V, hit enter, Control C, Control V, 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 enter, and then Control C, Control V, enter, Control C, and Control V, enter. Now these words will not be replaced. We want this words to be available. All right, so hit I'm feeling lucky. Awesome, it's ready. And generate unique version. Awesome. Control C and go back. Control V here, and we want to add this here. Add item. Now this will be number 2. Copy the URL of the image, get by image, Control V, hit via and Control V. Now Control C, you go back to the spinner control panel, rewrite your articles, ignore this draft, Control V, and I'm feeling lucky. Right, generate unique version, Control C, Control V, and also Control V. Now add item, it's number 3, Control C, Control V. I'm sorry, we want to go to the images and get images, submit it via link, Control V, and now you want the description to be spun. So you want to go back to the control panel, hit rewrite your articles, ignore this draft, Control V, and I am feeling lucky. Isn't this awesome? Generate a unique version, Control C, go back, Control V, and here Control V. Add item, number 4, paper birch. So it's paper birch, and you want the image link, get by URL, submit, and also you want this, and you want the description to be spun. So let's go back to the control panel, rewrite your articles, ignore this draft, Control V, and I am feeling lucky. Isn't this awesome? Generate unique version, Control C, this is an 87% unique, which is awesome. Control V and also Control V. Now add a new item. Okay, Control C, Control V, then image, Control C, get URL, hit submit, and you want to add the via link, source URL, done. Now you want to spin the description, Control C, go back to the control panel, rewrite, ignore, Control V, and start the rear. Oh no, this is wrong. This is wrong. I don't need it. I am feeling lucky. That's what I need. Forget it. Forget it. You want to go back to the control panel. Just leave this page. That was a mistake. Rewrite your articles, and that's right. Awesome. All right. I'm feeling lucky, which is cool. Settings. I want to see whether the settings are correct. Yes, settings are perfect. So I want to hit I am feeling lucky. This is the quickest process to start rewriting or get an article rewritten. Control C and Control V, also Control V. Now add item, number 6 would be this, and then image, Control C, go back to get by URL, submit. Also you want this via link here, awesome, and then you want the description to be rewritten or spun. So you go back to control panel, home, rewrite your articles, ignore this draft, Control V, and everything is fine. Just hit I'm feeling lucky. This is awesome. Generate a unique version. This is 85% unique compared to the original, which is more than enough. Control V. Awesome. Add item. Okay, this is this. Now you want the image URL. Image URL to be get here. Hit submit. The via, hit submit, and now the description to be spun. Control C, and you go to the back to control panel home. Hit rewrite your articles. Ignore this draft. Control V, and I don't think there is anything, but you can always delete this and hit I'm feeling lucky. Always follow the same steps so you don't make mistakes, you don't lose anything. Don't create new steps every time. Okay, whatever steps you're following, use the same steps every day and every time. Number 8, Control C, Control V. Now you need the image URL. Take the image URL, submit, and also you need this via thing. Oh, there is an issue. I told you the issue. The issue is if there is something like this, you know, after the image there is something. All right, let me see what happens if I do. Okay, this is cool. This is way cool. And you know that's always happens. The image file should end with the image extension. All right, delete it. Get by URL, hit submit, and this via will be available. Awesome. Now you need the description to be spun. Go back to control panel home, ignore this draft, Control V, and hit I'm feeling lucky. This is cool. All right, generate spawn version. Control C, Control V, and of course Control V. All right, now Control C, you want to add a new item. Control V, you need the image URL. Control C, Control V, hit submit. And also the via URL is here. Awesome. Now you want this. Control C, you want this to be spun. Go back to control panel home, rewrite your articles, ignore this draft. Control V. Awesome. I'm feeling lucky. Cool. And it's ready. Generate a unique version. Control C, Control V, and here Control V, add item. Control C, Control V, you have to add the images. Control C, Control V, hit submit. Also is the via link, and then the description to be spun. Go back to rewrite your articles, ignore this draft. Control V. This is awesome. I'm feeling lucky. Now you need to generate a unique version. Control C, Control V, and Control V. Now all the 10 are ready to get published. Okay, so hit publish. Now it shows that there are 2 errors. Can you see that? 2 errors has been found. So if we get into this kind of problems, we need to solve this problem. All right, so this is number 2, American this one. Okay, it says that incorrect file type. So why don't we just go back to Google and search, right? Take from here. This is 600. This is not the right size we are looking for. Small one. We are looking for a bigger one. So let's say this maybe. No, yeah, it's okay. 751 looks cool. Click to view image. All right, this looks cool. Copy image address. This looks fine. So this would be this, right? Control V. America, this. All right, hit submit. Doesn't look good. So what we are going to do here is we're going to use another one. This one looks better. Copy image address. Control V, but these are encrypted. See here, encrypted. We don't want this, to be honest. Okay, these are problematic stuff. So we want from somewhere here, maybe no, maybe this, smaller. Look here. This was already the one we tried. Let's try this one. This is small. Maybe this. All right, this looks better. Copy image. Okay, this looks better, much better. Okay, so in that case we will change it. Okay, get by URL this and hit submit. We want to change the via link as well. Control V. This is awesome. Now there is another image that was not used because the image size was too large. They say that this image was too large. Okay, so this is a hybrid poplar. Control C and let's check hybrid poplar. So let's use this maybe. Copy image address. This was the same exact one we used before, so it's useless. Maybe we can use another one. Let's try this. Looks cool, not bad. Copy image address. Control V. It's not loaded yet. Let's let it load. Now copy image address. All right, now it looks better. Get by URL. Okay, hit submit. Use this via link. All right, and let us try again. Bismillah. Again, one error has been found. Let me see what's the error. It says incorrect file type. Well, incorrect file type. This is amazing. Why would it be incorrect file type? Okay, if it says incorrect file type, what can we do? Maybe this. Copy image address, change it, and alright, A, Control V, and hit publish. Bismillah. Awesome. So it's published. Okay, cool. Now here is one thing very important, that is the image credit, the link, via link must be used, number one. Number two, the text must be spun, And number 3, if you don't want to build like this, then you can simply go to edit with Zombify. If you want to use a slider type, then you know how to do it. Items per page will be 1. And this is gardening, right? And this is also, you can add it as everything else. You can add photography, paginated post. I think it's all about gardening. So hit publish. So done. It's published again, and this is how it looks like, one by one. Hit next page, it will take you to another page. Looks pretty cool. So now we know how to do it, right? Thank you very much for watching. We can follow this plan, follow this system, and it will be easier for us to work anywhere, right? Work on any post.